Well, that's right, Aldrin and Naledi. A bit earlier on this morning, you did ask me about the notable presence of Malisela Tifo inside court on Friday. This is when the bail application of accused number 2, Bongani Ntanzi, had been denied. Just a few moments ago, we saw Malisela Tifo in his robes, as you can see here next to me. He's also inside the courtroom this morning. You'd recall, of course, the last time he had left this particular matter. And I'm going to see if I can't hear from him at this stage, what his presence is in court this morning. Babu Tifo, good morning to you. I know this morning you didn't want to speak to me. You're inside court again this morning. Are you back on the trial?
No comment, Chriselda. No comment. For now, no comment.
All right.
Yeah, let's wait for the court. I'm inside the court. It's given. But I cannot say more than that.
Are you representing any of the accused now?
No, I'm just in court now.
And I see you are robed as well. But the last time you left this particular matter, you excused yourself. And we saw on Friday you were also present here when the bail application of accused number 2 was denied. Are you back on this matter? I'm sure South Africans would love to hear that.
No comment, Chriselda. No comment.
Aldrin, Naledi, it doesn't seem like I'm going to get any comment from Advocate Malisela Tifo. Just a quick one before I let you go, Babu Tifo. I know that there was the issue, of course, with the organization that represents yourselves as advocates. Are you back on again? The last time that basically stripped you of your position or as advocate. Are you back on?
Oh, that matter is with my lawyers. The matter of LPC is with my lawyers. Yes, and you can remember that the reason I was not here, as you say, it was not because of LPC. LPC is a separate matter. Yeah, that matter is with my lawyers at the moment. Thank you.
All right. Malisela Tifo, speaking to us here on the SABC this morning, a notable presence inside this court. You would recall, of course, Aldrin, as well as Naledi, he had left this particular matter on Friday. We saw he was inside court. He was not wearing or not robed, if I might say. And he's back here this morning robed. He says we will hear once the court gets underway exactly what his presence is here inside this court this morning. Certainly it remains to be seen at 10 o'clock this morning what is going to happen. But you can also see towards this direction here, the accused have also arrived. 2 of the accused have arrived inside court this morning. We're waiting for the other accused to also emerge from the holding cells at the bottom of this court. It does seem like the other accused are coming up at this particular stage. And I guess there certainly seems like there might be some twists and turns again in this matter this morning. Certainly how it's all going to unfold, we do not know. We also see Advocate Zandile Mshololo has also arrived here this morning. She is for accused number 5. You also see the state prosecutor there, Advocate George Baloy. He has also arrived at the court. So we're expecting to hear in the next few moments exactly what is going to transpire in this court. We're expecting, of course, the trial itself to get underway. Recall last year when the matter had been postponed, this was due to accused 1 and 2 getting new legal representation. We're hearing this morning there's a likelihood that there is new legal representation as well for accused number 3 and 4. You'll see the lawyer representing accused number 1 and 2, Advocate Ramoselepe. He is having a talk with Malisela Tifo there. When I asked him whether he's back on the bar, whether he's back practicing as an advocate, he says that matter is with his lawyers at this particular stage. And we'll certainly hear at 10 o'clock this morning exactly what the issue is pertaining to this matter, what Malisela Tifo will say to this court this morning, and whether at all a new witness will be called in the Senzo Meyiwa trial. Back to you in studio.